Cosmos price has been fluctuating around this area for the past 3 months. Let's understand what is going on and what we should expect in the near future. But first of all, let's give a general idea for who learns about Cosmos for the first time. Cosmos has one of the most important goals in cryptocurrency and blockchain industry. Their aim is to create a fast, affordable, and highly interoperable multi-chain ecosystem where different blockchains can interact with each other. A problem that remains real as until now, we can see this feature is the lack of most blockchains. Most of the ecosystems can have extremely good technology and be very efficient, but they can't go outside their ecosystem, and here it comes Cosmos, which wants to solve this problem. Bring interoperability and unite blockchains. Cosmos is a smart contract platform that uses a novel proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, allowing a good 10,000 transactions per second, which makes it one of the fastest with extremely low fees. The network works with a mechanism called Tendermint. This allows to build with Ethereum virtual machine and any other language. It was founded by Jane Kwon and Ethan Butchman in 2014. Its mainnet launched after 5 years in 2019. Cosmos has been built in zones and hubs, where zones plugs into hubs. Cosmos is the first hub where other zones or blockchains plug into it, but maintain their governance. With Cosmos, you can securely transfer tokens from one blockchain to another. Cosmos development is coordinated by Interchain Foundation, based in Switzerland, and the network has been built by Tendermint, one of the most popular blockchain application framework company, based in the United States. Cosmos has a very user-friendly wallet of the ecosystem, which you can use it as browser website or Android application for both Android and iOS. Here you can see the May blockchain's tokens that are getting built in the ecosystem. You can vote on the network's proposals. And lastly, you can stake different coins for the highest rewards, starting with Atom, the native coin of the Cosmos blockchain. If you install the extension, you can use this wallet to connect to Emeris, the cross-chain decentralized exchange, called also Gravity Bridge. This project will migrate on its own blockchain from the Cosmos hub for a better performance. Before we continue, I just want to clarify something that you might have forgotten. We only do educational entertainment, and my job here it is not to be your financial advisor. So please do your own researches before investing. If we look at the roadmap, it is quite exciting for the near future, and I think is really important that Cosmos do follow up on time on development and upgrades. And this always pays off to build a stronger community and bring more investors on board. They had a big upgrade in Q1, and they have 4 more upgrades scheduled in the future. In Q1, they had the Theta upgrade, which includes that interchain accounts let blockchains control accounts on other chains. This is started for Cosmos Hub, and it will be under continuous development. It is very interesting because it means that Cosmos ecosystem blockchains can access the application features of another chain and carry out any action native to that chain. This creates a dramatically improved user experience and brings much needed composability to the Cosmos ecosystem, and I think it is a huge milestone in the blockchain industry as most bridges simply enable the passing of assets back and forth. On the other hand, this upgrade on Cosmos enables cross-chain communication and chain-to-chain interactions. The second upgrade should take place in the second quarter of this year, probably around May. This will allow Cosmos governance module to interact with decentralized apps, to integrate liquid staking and NFT to the ecosystem, something that Cosmos has been missing out as the market is developing extremely fast into that direction. They also recently added some additional stretch goals, as you can see. The third upgrade will take place in Q3 of this year and will first of all allow to secure other Cosmos-based blockchains with funds. This will help other blockchain with lower funds, but great ideas to develop their projects in a safe manner. They will upgrade the Gravity Bridge that in December they just announced to have completed it. This will allow full interoperability with Ethereum blockchain and will open a huge window into that market towards more adoption of Cosmos solutions. They will integrate chain name services, which is a decentralized digital identity that will allow many features. For example, people will be able to borrow more money based on the trust that the blockchains offers, and probably this will be connected to many other projects in the ecosystem. The fourth and fifth upgrades will take place towards the end of the year, but they did not announce yet what this will be about. There are a lot of projects that have been built with the Cosmos SDK, which is a development tool created by Cosmos and allows you to create fast and secure cryptocurrencies and make them interoperable with each other. This includes Binance Coin, Terra Luna, Crypto.com, and Thorchain, which you might already know. They are all into the Cosmos ecosystem, so they are all fully interoperable. You are able to transfer coins and tokens or swap them for extremely low fees in a few seconds on the Kepler wallet mentioned above. I think it's very important to understand that Cosmos ecosystem is exponentially expanding. In fact, these blockchains, after Ethereum, represent the second largest market share in regards total value locked for decentralized finance, even if they do not appear on Cosmos, so it might not be very clear. But not necessary, this expansion will reflect into the native token of the Cosmos Hub. In fact, all these blockchains have their own currency to secure their network. In regards tokenomics, Atom is the native coin of the network. It is a governance token, so it allows you to take part of the future of the ecosystem by voting. You can stake Atom for around 15% annually rewards with a minimum of 21 days lockup period, and you also get rewards into different tokens, not just in Atom. Lastly, it is used also for fees on the network and for smart contract execution, but only on the Cosmos Hub. Atom is inflationary, and the annual rate fluctuates between 7 and 20% depending on which percentage amount is staked into the network. At the moment, 63% of the total supply is staked, and the inflation rate is around 10%. To make a comparison, Ethereum has an inflation rate of 7.5%. Because of this aspect, if you hold Atom, I think is very important to stake your coins, so you will be rewarded, otherwise the inflation might penalize you over a long time. This is definitely the main factor that decreased volatility and kept the price lower. In fact, many Atom tokens gets injected in the ecosystem daily. Its price has been decreasing also because in a fast-developing ecosystem, Cosmos has been a bit slow to advance on the main hub and enable more features. This caused a low demand, which combined with the inflationary side and the sell pressure of impatient investors, drove the price at lower levels. Also, the Cosmos ecosystem has grown a lot. In fact, it has over 130 billion market capitalization with almost 50 projects on it. This maybe doesn't reflect on the native token yet, because the demand is not that high considering all the separate blockchains do not need a Cosmos native token, but they have their own. However, the more projects will launch, keep in mind that all these people that wants to buy these new tokens will need Atom first to be able to invest in Cosmos ecosystem. Most important to pay fees on the Cosmos Hub. Atom is not required, and it is not the only one accepted. Other blockchains like Ethereum or Cardano require to have their native coin to pay the fees. This obviously increases the demand and the price. However, Atom, in my opinion, is undervalued, and probably it will be the secure backup coin for the ecosystem, which will make the token rise in value over time. Atom has a current circulation supply of 292 million tokens roughly, and a market capitalization of just around $8 billion, which is quite low for the ecosystem that it is building. To give you an idea on how much new tokens gets injected in circulation, we will keep making video updates, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. Cosmos is a very promising project, and this year, looking at the scalability, usability, and interoperability solutions that it is bringing, I believe will have a significant ecosystem growth with all the upgrades mentioned before. If you want to be up to date, you can also follow them on many social, read the articles they publish on Medium, or even subscribe to their YouTube channel, where they do AMA or explain difficult topics in simple manners. Also on Twitter, they have a highly interactive community of over 400,000 people, which increased significantly in the last 3 months. This is it for today's video. Let me know if you hold Atom and what price you think it can achieve.